On.
Hi everyone! I just want to thank you for joining us today. We have a very special guest with us today. We have Mary Fisher. She is our Handi Quilter Club and setup coordinator. She also is a Handi Quilter educator, and she has come to join us today to talk about this wonderful Handi Quilter truck event that we're having in July 19th through the 21st. So Mary, welcome, and thank you for joining us.
You're welcome.
Tell us a little bit, how long have you been with Handi Quilter, and what have you been doing with Handi Quilter?
I am in my third year as a field educator for Handi Quilter. That means I travel around the country and actually around the world teaching how to use this machine, how to use all of our tools, and just helping ladies learn to use their Handi Quilters.
That's very nice. And what did you just come back from?
I just came back from Handi Quilter Academy, which is an incredible experience of 3 days, all-day training. It was a lot of fun, and I met so many Handi Quilter owners there.
That is so awesome. I've heard so many people who wanted to go to a Handi Quilter Academy, but they just can't make it all the way to Utah. So what do we have great here in the great city of Oklahoma happening this summer?
Well, aren't we fortunate? In July, as she said, 19th through the 21st, we've got 3 days of education, which is what you got in Utah. We've got 3 days of education. The first day is everything you ever wanted to know about your machine, how to use it, how to tension it, how to use any thread you want, how to use the tools available to make this easy and make it fun. That's the first day. The second day is free motion and rulers. Again, you're going to learn all about the tools and the processes. The third day is creative textures and fills, one of my favorite classes. And you can do that on long arm. Tasks and projects that you can do that you might ordinarily do at a sit-down sewing machine, you can also do on a long arm. And so that's 3 days of an homegrown Oklahoma Academy.
And that's awesome. And how much is this HQ Academy if someone was to go? What would you say?
Oh, it's $13.95 plus your travel, all of that.
Hotel expenses. Well, right here in Oklahoma, what's great about our Handi Quilter education event is we've got 6 sessions, and each session is $55. There's one in the morning and one in the afternoon. If you sign up for all 6 classes, you will save $80. So that makes the whole thing just $250, not $1,395.
That's a great bargain. As well, it's not lecture demo. You're going to be on a machine. You, a friend, or 2 will be sharing one machine and learning along with the educator.
That is just so awesome. So someone who doesn't have a Handi Quilter long arm, or who maybe wants to rent the long arm, or maybe they're new and they haven't had a lot of experience with their Handi Quilter, what are some of the things they can look forward to?
Well, I'm glad you mentioned that. If you have been thinking about joining our rental program in the Moore store, this is a great opportunity to learn how to use that machine and, in the end, save you money in finishing your own quilts, because you're going to have all the education you need to finish a quilt. So, and we will waive the cost of your education, of your training session. We'll waive that in this class in lieu of that. So that's a really great bargain. As well, if you've just been thinking about buying, if maybe you think, do I want to do this? Is this something I could do? This is a great opportunity to try before you buy. So 3 days, again, complete education. It'll be awesome for you. And if you're a new owner, if you've ever said, my machine doesn't like this thread, we're going to get rid of that for you, because we're going to teach you how to tension any thread you want. We're going to teach you how to use your machine to its absolute best capacity.
Yes, and some of my favorite things is seeing the metallic threads on like the top, really detailing the quilt. So
oh, absolutely.
I hear a lot of people need help with that metallic thread. So I also have a lot of long-time Handi Quilter customers, and they've been so loyal and coming to all our events. What is something about the first day that they might want to come to, even though they might have all this experience, but what do you think will be helpful for them just to work with new people and just refresh their skills or enhance their skills?
Well, a lot of you have been trained and you've learned from me. So here's your chance to learn from a new educator, somebody with fresh ideas, some things that maybe I don't know or I haven't thought of, or I haven't thought of a way to give you an idea. She has that, and so it's a fresh educator. I think you should take every opportunity to take classes whenever you can. And if I go to a regional quilt show, long arm classes range $100 to $150 a piece for the same 3 hours. So here's your chance to learn from a nationally recognized educator. She's been all over. She's been to Germany. She's a fabulous educator, and she'll be here teaching you. So I wouldn't miss it.
So I've heard some great things about Denise Best, who is our national Handi Quilter educator that's coming to our event. What are some things that maybe you can't know about her unless you come to the class? What are some things?
She's a very confident educator. I've watched her teach. She's a very nice woman. I've watched her teach a couple of times. Her information is phenomenal. As I said, she's been international travel. She's just done a fabulous job for Handi Quilter. So I think she offers a well-rounded education in all of the classes offered.
Well, that is just so awesome. I can't wait to have everyone there. So is there any last thoughts about this event that you want to share that maybe we haven't seen yet in our postings and our flyers? Anything you can add?
Yes, I'd like to add just how fun I expect this to be. This is going to be, we're at the Eve Center, so we're going to have 13 machines. Think of it as a long arm party. We're going to have a great time with a lot of giveaways. I'm really looking forward to seeing you all.
Alright, well, I just want to thank everyone for joining us today. It's been a pleasure talking with you, Mary.
Thanks, dear.
I think we've gotten some more information that we haven't gotten out there about this event, and that's just what I wanted to do for everyone today, is get the information and really get them excited and pumped about coming to this event, because I really don't want anyone to miss out, because we really haven't had an event like this where we've had so many machines brought to us by Handi Quilter for Handi Quilters, sewers and enthusiasts, and I just want everyone to know that they're going to get an experience that they haven't gotten here from us here at the Stitching Post. And that's what we're always striving to bring to our customers and our new customers, is just really just getting them excited about sewing and quilting. It was so nice to have you here today, so thank you. And we hope to see you in July.
Bye-bye.